AI adoption isn't failing because people resist change. It's failing because the work itself was never redefined. This isn't a technology problem. It's a definition problem. The question was never, how do we use more AI? The real question is, what work needs to change, and for whom? When AI is introduced as something everyone should use more, without task-level clarity, it creates pressure, not progress. No one knows whose job it is to use AI or what that even means for their role. So teams try it once, maybe twice, then quietly pull back. Not because AI failed, because no one showed where it fits in the work they already own. Here's the pattern we see again and again. AI gets introduced as a tool before the task is defined. The role doesn't change, the workflow doesn't change, only the subscription changes. And then leaders wonder why adoption stalls. It stalls because the foundation was missing from the start. But when AI is applied to specific, defined tasks, everything changes. Start with the task, not the tool. Ask, what part of this role consumes the most time with the least strategic return? That's where AI earns its place. Meetings that used to end in ambiguity now end with clear action plans. Emails that used to require 3 back and forths become 1 decisive reply. Reports that took 4 hours, reviewed and delivered in 10 minutes. AI handles the repetitive cognitive load, so humans can handle the judgment calls. People stop feeling threatened because they see exactly where AI ends and their expertise begins. They stop feeling replaced and start feeling supported. That's not a technology upgrade. That's a work design upgrade. And that's a skill, not a setting. AI is only a foe when roles stay vague. Define the work first, and AI becomes your strongest support layer. Join Evox 365's role-based AI workshop, tool-agnostic, practical, no jargon. Visit evox365.com/workshop to register. Clarity first, AI second. Results that actually stick.